a long time.
What is
It's,
wrong, Chris?
It's just like a day in the life kind of thing. Relaxing in the Chrysler, drinking beer, cruising along, happy laughing up to the beer, sing a song. Suddenly my eyes are blinded by the flashing lights. 20 police piggies come squealing out of the night. Say, what's this here? Must be your switchblade night. They said, empty the bottle, take 'em in, book 'em, lock 'em up, and form 'em up their rights. Judge said, was you on the night of July 72? I said, hey man, I was out drinking. What about you? He said, no messing around, you know this is a serious job. I can't have common criminals like you at large. And I said, oh no, no, Your Honor, that's not me. Your Honor, hear my plea for leniency. And you know what he said, Judge said? He said, it's true, you illegally possessed the deadly device. He said, yeah, but the gavel you pound could do the job just as nice. But that's used to balance the scales of justice properly. So sit back, relax, or I give you the first degree. Yeah. Let your attorney teach you what to say. Yeah, you get out of life and do yourself right and offer a pair of banks again. And here's what my lawyer says to me. He says, you gainfully employed, aren't you, my boy? You work 9 by 5, you live at home. You go to school each week, you don't hang out with no creeps. I know you judge me by the company that I keep. Oh, Your Honor, you know I never been involved in nothing like this before. As a matter of fact, I was thinking of going to school and studying law. And growing up to be a big prosecuting attorney like him. Or police, or priest, or a fire chief, or any old thing. But any inmate up the river had Sing Sing. And like I said, it's never too late to begin. I'm gonna tell you one more time, my lawyer says, you gainfully employed, aren't you, my boy? You work 9 by 5, you live at home. You go to school each week, you don't hang out with no freaks. I know you judge me by the company that I keep. One last time, relaxing in the Chrysler, drinking beer, cruising along, happy laughing, nothing but beer, sing a song. Suddenly these eyes are blinded by the flashing lights. 20 police niggas come walking out of the night. Say, what's this here? Must be your switchblade night. Say, empty the bottle, take 'em in, book 'em, lock 'em up, and form 'em up their rights. You know they say, empty the bottle, take 'em in, book 'em, lock 'em up, and form 'em up their rights. You gotta do it 3 times, because they always do it 3 times. Empty the bottle, take 'em in, book 'em, lock 'em up, and form 'em up their rights. Say, switchblade night.
Hey, Jack.
This is about a war in California. Very nice girl. I know your schedule's tight, but won't you please reserve a place for us? And I know you're out tonight, but won't you please save a space for us? And I know your schedule's tight, but won't you please reserve a place for us? And I know you're out tonight, but won't you please save a space for us? I know might not be allowed.